So this is a little update on that environment level that I created in the last little update video that I did, where I was just making a level. I went in, did a little bit of cinematic work, and played out a little scenario just to see, how it will work. So yeah, I made a little test build here. My name is Revenant, and I will find what I seek. Power. Got a little bit of a setup. He's starting his adventure. So we're just, running through. Oh, look at this. Look at this area here. Let's continue through. Those rocks are blocking the way through. Over here, over here. So I kind of want it to be a show, not tell. But for the time being, I just put some audio in there. Oh, can't go that way. And then something is happening over here. So then we run over here, and then we get our nice little cutscene. Oh my, someone's actually come? It's been so long since I've seen anyone. Oh, I'm so bored. You're bored. Well, sorry to say, but I didn't come all this way to play games. I'm on a search for the Guardians, like yourself. To be precise, I'm looking for the Guardians' power. Oh, you're no fun. Fine, I'll lend you my power, but under one condition. Don't you want to hear why I'm on a quest for power? Like I said, I'm bored. I don't want to hear you prattle on about your life issues. Now, I fancy a game of hide and seek. Find all of my little fairies, and I'll grant you some power. Yep, so she gives us our quest, and so the idea is to have a bunch of little fairies scattered about. So they got their nice little hiding spots. I'm gonna go in, do some more functionality. Of course, once you find them, maybe they'll fly around and then disappear or something like that. But there are plenty of places to have them hidden. I forgot to put one over there, but behind the rock, definitely. We got one hiding here behind the boulder. Gonna go through and strategically place them for maximum player experience and player choice and progression and stuff like that. But yeah, that's gonna be cool. And sorry for the bad voice acting. Of course, it's just placeholder, but yeah, it's gonna be cool.